If you have lost or misplaced DSLR camera lens caps in the past, you may be interested in a new photographic accessory called the Lenscapt, specifically designed to make sure you never lose your lens cap again, or miss crucial photographic opportunity. Equipped with a spring-loaded hinge, the lens protector allows the lens cap of your camera to stay attached to the lens. The unique design of Lenscapt allows it to quickly pop open up with a simple flick of your thumb, the moment you need to take a photo. Lenscapt has this week launched via Kickstarter, and is now available to back with pledges starting from just £18, with delivery expected to take place during April 2018, if the Kickstarter campaign is successful. The designers of Lenscapt are hoping to raise just under £4,000 over the next 26 days, and are already nearly halfway there, thanks to over 74 backers. So, if you would prefer not to lose your lens, or have to find somewhere to place it every time you need to take a photograph,